Hey guys, so this is a video tutorial on how to make phone calls and send text messages through Google Voice. What's special about Google Voice is that it does not only allow us to send a regular text message, but it allows us to send a group text message. That means we can send a message to 2 or more people. And for us, what that means is that the client will know exactly who to call and send a text message to, and vice versa. We have had a lot of instances wherein the assigned agent does not show up to the showing because the client was not responding to phone calls and text messages, and then we later found out that that was because the client was just trying to avoid other realtors who've been calling them. And that scenario should be eliminated because of this special feature. Simply put, if you send an appointment confirmation to the client, the assigned agent will see it as well. And if the client responds, then the agent will see that response as well. And that's going to give the assigned agent the confidence to just go to the showing and be there. And that means better showing and conversion rate for the company. And we are very excited about this because of that feature, so let's get started. To access Google Voice, you have to first be logged in to your work email account. So if you're handling California, then you have to be on your Kendrick email account. And if it's Florida, then you have to be on your Florida email account or Simply Sold email account. And on the same browser where you have your email logged in, you just have to open a new tab and type in Google Voice. Hit enter, click on the very first link that says Google Voice, and it's going to automatically direct you to this page. Now you have to do this once, and then once you've done this, then you can go to settings and go to startup and just click on use current pages. So the next time that you open your browser, Google Voice is going to be there automatically. That's going to save you some time. Okay, so by default you have this page, and if you're going to make a phone call, just click on make a call, and you can copy the phone number and paste it here. And in this tutorial I'm going to type in my phone number manually, and once you've put in the valid phone number or a valid phone number to call, then the green call button is gonna be highlighted. Just have to click on it, and then a small window is gonna come up. So this small window is gonna come up once, and you have to click on the drop down menu and click on Hangouts, and then click on Connect, and then the Google Hangout window is gonna come up, and it's gonna dial the number. So our protocol is to always dial twice in a row. So say for example you get a voicemail, then you have to end the call and dial the phone number again. And if you're still getting a voicemail, then you leave a voicemail on the second attempt. Now how to redial is just click on new conversation again and just copy paste the phone number one more time. Okay. Nine two 8867. Then it's going to dial again. So let's try it again. So because I wasn't able to copy and paste it earlier, so I had to type it twice. So just copy it and then click on call, and then it's going to dial again. Okay. So again, if you're going to make a phone call, just click on the call icon. You'll be given this box. Paste the phone number, click on call, and it's going to dial. Say you get a voicemail, you end the call, and then you dial the phone number again, and it's going to dial right away. That's twice in a row. Okay? Now if you're going to send a text message, okay, we haven't figured out how to send a text message straight from Google Hangouts. So for the meantime, we're gonna do it through the Google Voice page. So you click on the messages icon, click on send a message, type in the phone number or copy paste the phone number, and then it's gonna be highlighted, and then you can type in your message here, and then you can click on the enter button, or you can, this arrow button that I would think means enter, or you can just click enter on your keyboard and it's gonna be sent like that. Okay, so if you're gonna send a group text message, then you just have to click on send a message again. So this is my California number, hit enter, wait for it to be highlighted, and then put in the other phone number. So I'm gonna say 407. What phone number? So let's say let's try Elaine's phone number. So 707-400-0138. Okay, oops. 707-400-0138. Hit enter, and both phone numbers are highlighted now, so that means they've been put in successfully. And then I'm gonna say text from Reina. Okay, and then hit enter. And there. So you can see two phone numbers now, the two recipients, and if I reply or Elaine replies, then all the phone numbers in here or the recipients in here will be able to see the reply. So that's it. So again, to make a phone call, you click on the phone call icon, and then click on make a call, put in the phone number, click on the green icon, and then you have to put in or choose Hangouts, click on connect, but then again, you only have to do it once because the Google Hangout window is going to be open anyway. So the phone number or the call should actually happen straight from Google Hangouts window, and then the text message should happen through the Google Voice page. Okay, so again, you're going to make a phone call, go to Google Hangouts. So this is the second phone call I'm going to be making. Okay, then you want to dial one more time because we always dial twice in a row. You just do it like that. And then if you're going to send a text message, go to Google Voice, click on the message icon, click on send a message, type in the phone number here and the message phone number here, hit enter, wait for it to be highlighted, and click on test. That's it. So if you get a voicemail, you click on the voicemail icon and you'll be able to see any voicemails here. So this is the welcome voice message from Google Voice. So just click on it. There's a play button down there, and then you'll be able to see whatever or listen to whatever the message is. Okay, so it's as simple as that. And always remember to click on your recorder as soon as you start dialing a phone number, because the same rule applies. All of your phone calls should be recorded. The only difference is that we're going to be using Google Voice from now on. Again, the phone call should be straight from the Google Hangout window, and the send message or sending of messages should be from the Google Voice page. Okay, so let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon.